So here we are making another homemaker here. Miss Leighton Hancock. This is her birthday today. Happy birthday, Leighton. She's learned how to make biscuits on her birthday with her Nina in the kitchen. We're making a lot of biscuits today. We're gonna make some for our own family. We're gonna freeze some, and then we're gonna give some away for presents. Just little love gifts. The holidays are coming up and people are getting ready to start fellowshipping with one another and doing a lot of eating and cooking. We want to get the season up and going early this year. Tell them bye, Leighton.
Bye.
What are you doing, Leighton? Are you making biscuits?
Yes.
Yes. Are you having fun making biscuits?
Yes.
Are they sticky and gooey?
Yes.
Are they yummy?
Yes.
To the tummy?
Yes.
How do you like your biscuits? Jelly?
Jelly.
Jelly. All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye-bye.
Say we'll see you next week.
We'll see you next week.
Okay, so now we've put the biscuits in the oven and Leighton is putting butter on top of them, right, Leighton?
Already did.
We're painting butter on the biscuits. So that gives them a beautiful brown crust, and girl, you look messy. You even got flour on your face. And it makes them crunchy and a little salty. So they're just really wonderful to taste. Okay, hold on and let's go over here. I've been cooking all day. I come and try to cook a lot of food. My son and his wife are always busy when I'm here, so I feed them. Okay, put it on those biscuits too. Let's coat them up. Right here, baby.
I can see it.
Coat them up. We're making a painting. Painting the biscuits yellow.
Yes. With butter.
Let's get over here where we can see. So oh, watch out. You're giving that one a hard time there, girl.
Because it's little.
So we're gonna, they're pre-cooked, and we want to go ahead and put the butter on there, and we're gonna run them back in the oven, and they're gonna start browning a little bit. We're gonna pre-cook them a little more, just to make sure they cook